mama, you know, has to focus later.
Has release, no.
Has release, you know, yes. Especially the second paragraph. Eugene.
Bibi or attention on.
It's all about dates.
Dates.
Aye.
Okay.
On say, omo let him know. Omo concern the date of the GHALCA top 4. Dem what you say.
I mean, Adma, and the week and a Tuesday, right? It's in a week run on Bell lunch and Accra. Aha.
So the Ebusan say GHALCA campaigning for. GHALCA campaigning for. Union. I was say dynamic.
Dynamic.
Yes. Dynamic in the sense that Emre Elkonanim no. I was say utimi esakra wo niemem. Said the bear said currently Emre ene na move no. Ubetimi a join or mona on move. I didn't make us you say I was say and I say young co visited the history books of GHALCA top 4 competition no. Near Hadie. Eugene, I think that this competition came into existence in 2007, 2008, 2006 muhono. And the idea was that Eugene Ghanaian clubs na that time na omugo jina Ghana name the interclub competitions no Eugene. Na ye Ghana calendar no any other federations on the continent calendar enyepe. So Eugene ko Africa na other competing clubs start your league no na Ghana Premier League representatives in Eugene ayana omoye reluctant and I say omoye idle because na yenyan share yen league na se because of ekotia because one opponent now na go bono one the sharpness ne nioma bia or the benya no game nim no it's not as similar as Wardian because ebia wabo week 5 of the league wabo week 4 of the league na Ghana Premier League no kwenyan chance because na your calendar no na you synchronize ye e manene other African continent enye pe any CAF and I'm paying for the buy said then young organize a competition for competing clubs no moko ijina Ghana name no it is our time no be here na top 4 of the Ghana Premier League top 2 Eco Champions League not the next 2 3rd and 4th Eco Confederations Cup it will be here at that time no not Liberty Professionals not King Faisal those clubs and no more consistent Ewo confederations and na Kotoko has and so consistent Ewo Champions League nim but you then the entire me say running na ensesa e was say dynamic and say Ghana Football Association baby agina CA you know yeah representatives are the go Gina Ghana name at the interclub competition no assesa a free 4 equal 2 and a free 4 equal 2 no one a slot for the MTN winner and the other one a slot for the winner of the Ghana Premier League but still GHALCA and so ejina baby ojina ne say competition now or the buy and which is GHALCA top 4 no onye na dwene ne say or the dynamism be a bem say the be obe synchronize the organization of the competition amana ya attractive amana suit to purpose na ye the drafty competition no because the idea is that Ghanaian clubs no omo gina Ghana name no omo dey ye preparatory competitions ahead of interclub competition no but suddenly na you see in the previous days in the previous years no it's not the same as nowadays enti we GHALCA Eugene e dey na wasa we enu nti na me call say GHALCA enye dynamic media metime susu omo ne say the name top 4 should remain say GHALCA top 4 but Eugene there should be a slot for MTN winner.
Africa winner.
Yes.
Because I want free more for nation.
but Eugene when na no wo se ekɔ dem ne ekɔsesa nneɛma no wɔ dem sɛ de be ya ye de ekɔ akɔpɛ sponsorship Eugene ne nyinaa no ye be consider wɔ dem e de be ne ye a competition no betimi abanyam e de be ne ye a ye betimi anya the competitive nature of the competition. Clubs say ebe nyina ebe ball with aggression, with determination, until who they compare sponsor Eugene. Irrespective say e be akotoko nka ho anase has nka ho because of the competitiveness. Ubetimi anya sponsor A, ubetimi anya sponsor B. But ye GHALCA yi Eugene, omo depend only on the involvement of Kotoko and has. It's a real season no man Kotoko and has mienu ni nyina wa top 4 competition ni mu a Eugene nkoyi. And Eugene obekaya. Last season emro omo de ball top 4 no kra no monte ase. At a point na bibia ni Gold Stars and has to folk. No more predio winning top 4 no so obekaya. Obekai. Into GHALCA on your dynamic. GHALCA on your dynamic, Eugene. Me de no see you. Kwame Poku.